Hello guys, good evening and welcome to Atanyar's Taste and Tips. Yes guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken nuggets KFC style, and it's especially a Ramadan special, and for those who are not fasting, so they can use it as snacks in the evening with coffee, tea or juice. So let's start guys. I have taken just 1 kg chicken breast, boneless, and cut it in and that a small amount like to make chicken nuggets. So let's start guys. So here are the ingredients for marinating and after that for coating. So what we need is we took one egg, and we're going to add 4 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon vinegar, mix it well, and then we are going to put it in with chicken breast and mix it well. And then for coating we need some breadcrumbs, plain flour, 1 egg, and a little bit corn flour. We do need to mix with our plain flour, and we are going to mix it with this. So let's start guys. Yes guys, so I have here cumin, biryani masala, or you can use garam masala. It's up to your taste. If someone wants lots of chili, so you can use. And here is turmeric, salt, black pepper. So going to add them, and in here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of milk, like that. Yes, like that. Then we're going to mix it well, like that, and putting it on our this ingredient. And then I need a little bit corn flour, like you can say 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Yes, so we are going to mix them well and gently, like that. Then after that we are going to put them like about 1 hour for marinating it. Then after that we are going to start making the procedure, or we are going to show how to make it. Yes guys, so I have some eggs that I'm going to scramble them. So, yes guys, so our yes guys, so we have marinated for 1 hour, and now it's ready for coating. As I told you guys that for coating I need plain flour, a scrambled egg, and breadcrumbs. So what we are going to do is we are taking this one from here, and we are going to mix it or coat it with our plain flour, like this. So then like that we are going to coat it like that. Then after that we are going to dip it in egg. See guys, here like this you're going to dip it in egg. Then after that what do? I do take coating or coat it with bread crumbs. See guys, like this. So I'm going to put them here and yes guys, so like that we're making chicken nuggets and chicken popcorn. So it's in frying pan, and rest of them we have freeze them. So you can freeze it whenever you want. You just take it out and fry it, so it will be really tasty and fresh guys. So it looks like that. Let me show you one of them like that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to freeze them whenever I want. So I will now I'm going to freeze them. Then after that divide it as much as I am frying it. Like it's up to your family. And if you're taking it from freezer and fry it, so it will taste really crispy and fresh. So that's our chicken nuggets.